Human skills development, emotional intelligence.
Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to be in touch with one's emotions to the point where feelings are identified and understood. EI provides the ability to read and pick up on nonverbal communication. It will provide better emotional awareness and improve interactions during social encounters. With our Emotional Intelligence at Work workshop, your participants will be introduced to ideas and techniques for increasing and understanding their emotional intelligence. Employees with these skills are widely desired by employers and organizations. People with emotional intelligence are good at developing relationships, creating successful work environments, and typically have better conflict resolution skills.
Why e-learning?
Convenient. E-learning allows you to balance the demands of work, career, and home life by accessing learning from anywhere, anytime, from home, work, and even on the road. On-demand learning is available 24/7. Immediate. You can start an on-demand course in a matter of minutes. Be done in one sitting, about 4 to 5 hours, or take as long as you like to complete and download your certificate from your account. Ease of use. Click away and get the knowledge you need. Flexible. You decide when you want to take an on-demand course. If you only have time at night, no worries, make your own schedule and do the course at your own pace.
Cost-effective. Studies show that online learning can save an organization 50 to 70% of training expenses. Quality. All of our on-demand courses are built by subject matter experts and adult education course designers.
You will receive with each course. Student manual in a PDF format for download to follow each lesson. Real-life examples and takeaways within the program to demonstrate the concepts. Video. Audio. Case studies to reinforce the course objectives. Quizzes to reinforce learning. Activities that help you learn. Certificate of completion acknowledging your hard work. Unlimited access and retakes of your quizzes. Completion time is approximately 6 hours. Human Skills Development. www.humanskillsdevelopment.ca. Register now. 980, Route 730 Scotch Ridge. NB Canada E3L5L2. 1-506 465 0990.